Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl SocialiteSymone, and today we are doing an unboxing. My wonderful family at Luca and Dani hooked me up with some new jewelry and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Like when you see these pieces, you're literally going to instantly fall in love. So if you want to check out these hot new pieces, stay tuned. I'm gonna unbox this for you guys. So I first heard about Luca and Dani when I was modeling for Kohl's. I was doing some of their, they have this new thing with beauty. So I was doing modeling for them. And one of the, well, I don't know how you want to explain it. It was like a gallery of different things. They had beauty, they had jewelry, they had all types of stuff. And I met the owner and it was just so funny because I told him, I was like, oh my gosh, this jewelry is so cool. And he's like, oh wow, I'm the owner. So that's how it all started, really. So let's slide these out here. And there's stuff, oh my gosh, they sent me so much stuff. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I'll put these down so I don't drop them or anything. So it's a card, I love a card. This is a really cool company. They have cute little bangles and all types of stuff. Thank you, Luca and Dani. I love this. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is the first box I'm going to be opening. Ah, it's a bracelet. Yes, I love this. Look at this color. It says, luck is believing you're lucky. That's cool. One thing I loved is that they have petite sizes because my wrist is literally that small. But look at that, guys. Hold on. Oops. That's so pretty. So cute. Okay. One box down, a zillion to go. Cute sayings and things. Look for the luck around you. Oh, this is so cute. So it's all little luck charms. So there's a 4-leaf clover, a horseshoe, a wishbone, a ladybug, a heart, and an elephant. Look at that, guys. So cute. And again, petite size. Next box up. I love this. Oh my gosh, it's like Christmas. Together we can make a difference. And this one, 20% of the proceeds will be donated to the Giraffe Conservation Foundation. And if you guys don't know, giraffe are my favorite animal. Giraffe and deer. Oh my gosh. That's a little tag. I love giraffe, oh my goodness. And it says get on my level. And it is two-toned. It's silver and gold. And it has a little giraffe on there and it says, get on my level. Oh my gosh, wait. I want to get in there for you guys. I'm so bad at this. I'm obsessed. Luca and Dani, you guys stole my heart already. I can't. What's this one? I love this. Guys, if you like positive affirmations and positive things, you're gonna love this. This one says faith over fear. Huh, we can all use that, right? This says faith over fear. I love these little cards. It says faith over fear. There we go. That's what now we're cooking with gas. Now we're cooking. I love that. What is this? Number 5? I think. I don't know. Ooh, Nigeria. They have a couple of collections there. They take the colors of the that country's flag and they put it on the bracelet. So I chose Nigeria. Right there it says Nigeria. This is very, very, very pretty. So cute. 3 more boxes left. Hang in there with me, guys. Come on. Now this one says embrace the journey, and that we all should. I love these cards and how it's packaged. So there you go. Embrace the journey. Well, these stones are beautiful. Look at that, guys. It's a little bit of black, all types of colors in there. So pretty. Oh, thank you, Luca and Dani. Look at they be. It says, I am not afraid. I was born to do this. Oh my gee, it's a necklace. And it flips. Oh my gosh. As you flip it over, that's exactly what it says. That is dope. I'm gonna incorporate that. And the last and final box. This one says, she believed she could, so she did. And it's another necklace. There we go. That is dope. So cute. I am so obsessed. But these are just so freaking cute. Ladies, if you have a small wrist and you're ready to stack up these bangles all the way up to your forearm, check them out. Thank you so much to Luca and Dani for providing me with these amazing jewels that I love oh so much. But until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. And like I always say, support me like you support the celebrities you don't even know. So until next time, guys. Mwah.